Hey, what's up lazy people? Today I'm gonna show you how to prepare fantastic crispy chips using just your microwave. For this recipe you need just potatoes, olive oil and salt. The first step is to slice the potato. Remove the first part of the potato and start to slice it. You need to do very slim slice. You can look how much slim. You can do it using a kitchen tool or a knife. I have no tools for the kitchen, so I have used the knife. Cool! Now we must put potato slices in a plate. Be careful! Don't forget to use oven paper. Now pour a drizzle of foil and a pinch of salt. I suggest to strew oil and salt over potatoes using your fingers. Fantastic! Now you must cover using a plate and our potato slice will be ready to be cooked. Of course, in a microwave.
Composure on the inside, ulcer on the outside. Footsteps tap cool.
When potatoes are ready, be careful removing dishes from the microwave. They will be very hot. How you can see, the potato slices are very crispy. Cool, huh? Enjoy your snack! If you liked this video, please click like and share it. And don't forget, for new recipes on microwave, subscribe to the channel.